steering box brace. Preston and I are under the Jeep. He's on the creeper. I'm on some pads. Luna is right here with us.
Yeah. This is
Yep, I love you too, Luna. This is the steering box right here. We have the pitman arm. So our brace is gonna attach right above the pitman arm up here at the steering box. And the brace will connect to the frame right where the sway bar is. So we need to take out the sway bar bolts right there and there. Yeah, with any luck, these just come off. Y'all? Yeah. It would have been a good idea to put some Creole in this beginning, but yeah, I was just thinking. This was kind of impromptu. Hey, let's get it done. Let's try not to bust the knuckle. Okay, we're going to take the bolts off on the second one. The first one came off pretty doggone easy. No busted knuckles.
There is a knuckle.
Busted knuckles is when you go like this, you bust your knuckles. It's an expression.
I'm talking about that knuckle over there.
No, I wasn't talking about the no, I wasn't talking about the knuckle poking the tire on. I was talking about my knuckles. Busted knuckles.
I want to get something to hold it before we.
Yeah, we're gonna experiment first.
I want to have everything else. I want to keep us on that.
Yeah.
We have to cut this out.
Here's our freshly painted brace. There we go. 7 years bad luck for going under a ladder. So get your stamp of approval, Claire. This is Barnes 4-wheel drive. How you doing down there, Preston? They were kind enough to give us 2 longer bolts so that we can reconnect the sway bar after the fact. So the trick is going to be able to hold this up there and put those erection bolts in place without dropping the brace on our faces.
Are you able to use the draft?
We may do that if we're not able to. So I'm going to push you to the side so if it does fall it won't hit you, it'll just hit me, but it's fairly light. I think we can hold it up there, but we'll see. Let's see if I can.
Do this without using the draft.
Yep. The main goal is not to smash my face. Alright. So we're gonna get that started. We were able to get the brace up there without too much difficulty. We have the erection bolt started, got some clamps just to help keep it level for us. We got a puppy trying to give me kisses. So this is gonna sandwich between the two. Okay, so it's gonna be the steering box, the bracket, there's a little tab right here, and the next bracket. So it sandwiches right between these two. and I have the brace mounted. We have the sway bars reconnected. Now all the bolts are just hand tightened at the moment so that we can still wiggle things around until it has proper alignment. Go ahead and tighten these down for good where it clamps the steering box. All I gotta say is these vice grips are one of the best purchases I ever made without mounting finish.
It's kind of wow. There's just a hole. That is kind of wow. When you cut them like that, some parts will get that. Is that one on down?
For what?
Well, I'm touching one. What is it? It isn't here. What is it?
You think that's Luna?
What is it?
That's paper towel. You silly. Yeah, we tightened all of the bolts.
We need to put the sway bar and weight back on.
You're right. Rubber melt with us on the trails. Oh, it's so much easier to bake them. Alright. Preston, we are done. We have our steering box brace mounted. Yep, got both sides. Alright, bud. I'm out. You cleaned up shop, right? Good night. Bye.